What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play My Ex's Best Friend by Machine Gun Kelly and Black Bear. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I hope your ex cheats on you with your best friend. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and it's got a very simple riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. It starts with a C sharp power chord, which is just 4th fret on the A, 6th fret on D. And then you're going to an F power chord, which is 8 on A, 10 on D. D sharp power chord, which is 6 on A, 8 on D. Those are the only 3 chords you need. They just palm mutes throughout them. And that is, you're putting the fleshy part of your hand here on the bridge of the guitar to give it that punchy, muted sound. You don't want it too muted. If your hand is too far forward or if it's too far back, you won't mute it enough. So find that sweet spot where you get that punchy muted sound. You're doing it in down strums, 8 counts on your C sharp, 4, 4, and again that just repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.